So we have a prisoner advocacy and prisoner rights program in Michigan. We work with men and women incarcerated in the Michigan Department of Corrections. There's about 43,769 people in currently. About. And we hear from people through the mail, through telephone calls, and through email. So we get about 2,500 to 3,000 letters a year from people living in prisons in Michigan, and then we get another 1,000 contacts via telephone, email. People bring all kinds of complaints about conditions of confinement and the reality of living in prison to our attention, and we try to help them navigate the system so that they can function properly inside, get programs that they need, get the proper health care, mental health care, and we have an inside scoop on the problems that people face in prison. And we can take that message, because we're directly communicating with folks, to the public and let them know that prison is not the answer to our social problems, and that it actually exacerbates social problems because of the inhumanity that exists within them. So we do all of this work, which we have a huge volume of work, by utilizing students. And they come into our office, some for class credit. We work really closely with the women's studies class at the university. And so they help us answer prisoner mail. We teach them about the various issues going on inside. We have them read policy directives. We have them read statutes. We coach them through what the system is like, and we have them answer letters and provide services for the people that write to us. We also help coach people through parole. So in Michigan, we have a minimum and a maximum sentence, and people are eligible to come home to the free world at their minimum sentence. Then in addition to that work, there's some specific projects that we work on, a little more focused. In the past, they've been healthcare related issues, mental health care related issues, and the use of solitary confinement in the state of Michigan. And I actually met Pete when he was in a solitary confinement cell in Michigan, and he was writing to us and telling us what it was like living in solitary. He did 10 years in segregation in Michigan. That's what it's called, administrative segregation. And he did 14 years total in the prison system. And so he has a really keen insight into what it's like to live within a prison. He knows about systems of control, and he knows how to relate with the people that we're working with on a regular basis and offer them good insight on how to do good time amidst their situation that they might be in.